This is a quick introduction to base 10 blocks. Base 10 blocks are a tool that we use in the classroom to help children understand place value. And you'll see we have little cubes here. Those each represent 1. If you put 10 of those together, if you were to glue 10 of them together, let's say, then you'd get what we call a strip. And there are literally 10 of these little cubes making that up. If you put 10 strips together, then you've got 10 groups of 10 or 100, which is a mat. It's a very concrete tool because you physically have, in this case, 124 cubes that are there. And we could talk about 1 in the hundreds place, 2 in the tens place, 4 in the ones place, and so on. We can even take this up one level further. If I were to take 10 of these and put them together, that would make a cube. And here's our cube. This is the thousands place. This is literally 1,000 of these little cubes right here. The model that I'm looking at, the set that I'm looking at right now is foam. It's nice and quiet. If you've got a classroom full of students working with that, you're not going to have a lot of noise. These don't link together though. And there are other sets that you can get. In fact, I'm going to show you an example. So a different set of base 10 blocks. We've got our units, our strips, a mat, and with this one as well, we have a cube. So we've got, once again, ones, tens, hundreds, and then our thousands place. And this is actually, well, I'm having a hard time getting it apart, and then it kind of fell apart on me, but this is actually 10 of these put together. So 10 hundreds makes 1,000. So in this case, we have 1,120, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1,126. The thing that's nice about this is that when you start adding and subtracting, you can do your regrouping because you can put these pieces together, and you know that once you have 10 of something, then it moves you up to the next level. So let's say I put some more ones into our collection. Let's have the thousands place go away. And this is what I've got. Well, how much is that? Well, if I put my ones together and compare them to the length of a strip, once it's the same length, then I know I have something that needs to be in the tens place, that we're beyond the ones place at that point. So how are we doing so far? Oh, I'm not quite there yet. Let's put another one. But if I were to link another one, that would become too big. So we now have 132 because I was able to take 10 of my units and turn them into a strip. And again, when you're adding and subtracting, that's something that's really helpful when you want to do regrouping.